Welcome to Guiding Hands Canada Immigration Service, your trusted partner in navigating the Canadian immigration process. Our mission is to simplify the complex, guide you through every step, and turn your dreams of living and working in Canada into reality. So let's get started on this exciting journey. Ready to explore the magnificent landscapes of the Great White North? If so, strap in. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and let Guiding Hands turn your aspirations into achievable goals. Canada's temporary foreign worker programs offer a golden opportunity for individuals seeking to work in Canada. These schemes, regarded highly by many, are not just stepping stones to a thriving and rewarding career prospect, but are also doors to becoming a permanent resident of this remarkably beautiful country, known for its vibrant cultures and welcoming locals. So what are these programs all about, you might wonder? Well, they're ingeniously designed to fill labor shortages in Canada across an incredibly broad range of industries. From the vital agriculture sector, the booming construction industry, to the vastly essential healthcare services and rapidly advancing technology sector, there's a vast and diverse array of sectors that are in constant need of unique skills and valuable experience like yours. Interestingly, it is crucial to note that these programs are carefully divided into two main categories. Those that require a labor market impact assessment, also known as LMIA, and those that do not. The LMIA, a document that employers in Canada may need to secure before hiring a foreign worker, serves as a testament that there's a significant need for a foreign worker to fill the job and no available Canadian worker can do it. But don't worry, we'll delve deeper into LMIA and non-LMIA programs in the subsequent parts of this enlightening series. For now, let's just on the broader picture painted by these programs. By participating in these programs, you're not merely securing a job, you're getting a rare, golden chance to experience the Canadian way of life, to contribute to its diverse and dynamic society, and to build a stable, prosperous, and fulfilling future for you and your family. The benefits don't just stop there. If you perform well and meet certain eligibility criteria, you could even transition from being a temporary foreign worker to a proud and esteemed Canadian. In essence, these programs are much more than just employment opportunities. They're stepping stones to a life that is dreamt by many, but dared to pursue by only a few. So, if you're ambitious, if you have the skills, if you're ready to take that exciting leap of faith, then it's time to pack your bags, gather your courage, and prepare for the journey of a lifetime. Temporary foreign worker programs, your ticket to a thriving and successful career in Canada. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Let's focus on the LMIA-based Temporary Foreign Worker Program. It's a program where employers in Canada who want to hire foreign workers need to get an LMIA first. It stands for Labor Market Impact Assessment. It's a document assuring that no Canadian worker fits the job role. Hence the need for a foreign worker. The process involves several steps. The employer is the first to take action. They have to apply for the LMIA, showing that they've tried to hire a Canadian citizen or permanent resident but have been unsuccessful. To convince the authorities, they need to present the expected impact the foreign worker would have on the Canadian labor market, which should be positive or neutral. Applying for the LMIA comes with a fee and requires details about the vacancy, like salary, working conditions, and the total number of Canadians who sought after the job. The application then goes to Employment and Social Development Canada, ESDC, for review. It's a process that takes a few weeks to months. If the ESDC approves the LMIA, the employer receives a positive LMIA or a confirmation letter. This letter is crucial for the foreign worker. It gives them the go-ahead to apply for a work permit. However, a positive LMIA doesn't mean automatic approval of a work permit. It's the foreign worker's responsibility to apply for the work permit using the LMIA and the job offer. They have to send the application to Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada with the LMIA, the job offer, and proof of meeting the job's requirements. Each application is assessed independently. A positive LMIA doesn't entirely guarantee a work permit. The time taken to process work permits varies. Once approved, the foreign worker can travel to Canada and assume their new position. But they must adhere to the work permit's conditions. and ensure its validity throughout their stay in Canada. It seems complex, but look at it as a step-by-step journey. You're not alone. There are resources to help. It's a journey, not a sprint, but with patience and the right guidance, you can navigate the LMIA-based process with ease. Not all roads lead to Rome, and not all temporary foreign worker programs need an LMIA. Let's explore the path less traveled. Across the grand canvas of Canadian immigration, there exist pathways that deviate from the norm. These represent the non-labor market impact assessment, or non-LMIA, temporary foreign worker programs. A significant number of such programs do demand an LMIA, but exceptions among these, a popular choice is the International Experience Canada, IEC. This initiative caters to young individuals from over 30 participating countries who hold a youth mobility agreement with Canada. The IEC provides an open work permit, enabling them to work for any employer across Canada. It's a fantastic opportunity to gain global work experience and witness the various Canadian landscapes. Lesser-known route lies within intra-company transfers. This scheme allows multinational companies to temporarily reassign qualified foreign employees to their Canadian branch for specific roles. The requirement? The employee must have a year's employment in the last 3 years, and the Canadian job must be managerial or involve specialized knowledge. Non-LMIA temporary foreign worker programs, while being exceptions, hold significant value. They present additional options for those who may not fit the traditional LMIA-based model. They echo Canada's dedication to diversity and inclusivity in its workforce. However, these programs, while full of opportunities, have their own prerequisites. Therefore, research and ensuring you meet all requirements is crucial before beginning this journey. The varied landscapes of Canada, like the rugged mountains in Alberta or the coastal beauty in Nova Scotia, reflect the diverse nature of the immigration process. It's a network of different paths, each offering its unique twists and turns. Remember, every journey is unique, and so is every immigration process. You are not alone on this journey. Guiding Hands Canada. Immigration Service is your companion. The immigration process be challenging, riddled with intricate steps and choices. But remember, every journey starts with a single stride, and we're here to guide you. That's why we've established this YouTube channel, to equip you with tools needed for informed decisions. We aim to simplify the process, decode the jargon, and illuminate your options. Our videos cover a broad spectrum, from temporary foreign worker programs to LMIA-based and non-LMIA programs. We offer step-by-step guides and insights into the Canadian immigration system. Our commitment is to provide accurate, timely information for a smooth journey. Every journey is unique, and we're here to answer your specific queries. You're an email or a WhatsApp message away from assistance. So, take your first step towards your Canadian dream by subscribing to our channel. Reach out at info@canadaimmigrationservices.com or WhatsApp us at 437-777-3520. Together, we can make your dream come true.